Now, what's a wrong way of doing research? Because, and I'll talk more about the different kinds of studies and opportunities out there. But firstly, I would like to talk about what kind of, research effort is wrong and doesn't help. Plagiarizing is it's a crime. It should never happen. For example, this next slide where we see, this is one of the, unfortunately, one of the applicants I was working with, and you can see that, their article got retracted. And this is almost like suicide. They have really hampered their chances of getting anywhere into residency, because this is a very huge black mark on their entire application, and it's never going to go away. So please, please, please never do this. And the other wrong way of doing research is some of the applicants I've worked with, they'll work for years, maybe a year and a half, working in the lab. So they'll be working on, I guess, the molecular biology techniques, lab animals, or the samples. But that's not really research, because, you're basically running the lab. Research is more about, okay, I want to generate a question. I want to generate what's the right method of moving the research forward. How do you do the research? How do you interpret the results? How do you explain the results, present the results? That's what really research is needed for your residency application. Not really working in the lab and just, doing it as like your daily work. And so, because some of the applicants I've worked with, especially who have these long gaps, that's how they've been, spending their time. And I have to explain to them that they have to do much more than that. At least take up a study, write a paper, and kind of, show that those kind of research skills will be useful for residency.